Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2008 Chevy Uplander and I will show you how to remove the complete radio unit in case you have to replace it or you want to install aftermarket radio. This video applies to all the Uplanders made from 2005 all the way up to 2009 because they are all the same. Okay, to start, first you will have to disconnect your battery to make sure you don't burn any fuses. Next thing what you will do, you will have to remove this plastic bazel. It's held by a bunch of small clips on the back side. So you will want to use something like this or a flat screwdriver or the best plastic trim remover, which I don't have, so I will use this. Basically what you want to do, just pry underneath here to pop it open, and now just go all around. You can use your hand, you don't have to use any of the tools anymore. Just be gentle and just pry that complete plastic piece out. Okay, now when I turn it on the other side, you see there is a bunch of these small plastic clips, so pretty easy to remove. Next thing you want to remove, there is 8 Phillips screws, so I will show you each one. You want to remove this one, this one here, there are 2 at the bottom, this one here, and this one here at the top as well. So I will not record how I do them, just get a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew them. Okay, these are those screws, and once you have removed them, this whole assembly basically is gonna be completely loose. The top part and the bottom part, that's for the heat. So what you want to do, okay, I'm trying to work with one hand, you just want to pull everything straight out because now, like I said, it's all loose. This is what you will get. The bottom part will separate from the radio, and now to completely remove that radio, just have to remove 2 plugs. Okay, 2 plugs in the back, and this black one that's your radio. So just to remove it, you want to push onto this top clip, wiggle it a bit, and that's it. Same thing goes with the other one, so just wiggle it a bit. Yeah, and that's it, you see. That's how you do it. It's very simple. It's gonna take you maybe 5 minutes to remove it completely. Now I have to remove mine because my radio is shot, so I got exact same radio from a salvage from a different Uplander. Now be very careful if you're replacing the factory radio with another factory radio. The radio from a different Uplander, it's gonna ask you for a code, and if you don't have the code, you will have to contact the dealer and you might have to pay for them to give you that code. So if you go to a salvage, there is lots of Chevy Uplanders, we all know that, and try to find one. Look into the glove box always, try to find like the documents from the car, and maybe they're inside. Usually there's like a small card, like a size of a business card, that shows the radio code. If you have the code, just type it in and the new factory radio will work in your Chevy Uplander. If you're replacing it with aftermarket radio, you just have to again get a couple of adapters depending which make and model of the radio you are using, and you can find those adapters in any audio hardware store. And what you will also need, you will need like kit for the Chevy Uplander, which you can also get at most of the audio hardware stores or not. There is a bunch of them on eBay and Amazon. So if you get the kit, everything is gonna look like original. So if you have like a small radio like this, it's gonna come with I don't know, like a small compartment in the back, something that's gonna fit in nicely, and so basically you'll install your new aftermarket radio inside that kit, and then you will screw in that radio kit into the same existing holes, and it's gonna look like it's supposed to be here. If you don't get the kit, then you'll have like a hole here and it's gonna look bad. Yeah. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. I try to post new videos daily on my channel. You can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.